Oh, hi, and welcome to Improv Basics with Mark. I'm your host, Mark, and these are the basics.
Improv Basics with Mark.
In your mind, sometimes there's like a really creative, adorable bit of you that just comes up with all sorts of ideas, like things you could put on a banana split.
Cherries, whipped cream, chocolate, fingernail clippings.
Exactly. And then you've also got another character in your brain who almost works like that instructor at a driving instruction class who has that additional break right there, who when you say toenail clippings says things like,
"No, that's stupid and unrealistic."
Look, with improv, the big thing is that you've got to find a place where you're not making any mistakes. And that means kicking that judgmental driving instructor to the frickin' curb and letting your brain have some space for creativity. Simple way to do that, just pick a category, name as many things in that category as you can, and then when you start running out of ideas, move on. Pick another category and start again. It's just getting your brain in the space of being able to say the first thing that comes to your mind. Kind of like this.
Things that start with the letter B.
Things that start with the letter B. Blue, bees, bunnies, bubbles, bananas, Barack Obama.
Things that you could give a high five to.
Things that you could give a high five to. Your friends, a chimp. Your dog, a chimp's dog.
Just create a space where you can't make any mistakes. And then when you make silly things up, just roll with it. Get that judge out of the front seat of your car and just have fun improvising. This has been Improv Basics with Mark. I'm your host, Mark. These have been the basics.
Improv Basics with Mark.